Welcome to NSUK MINETECH Innovation Pod.
Hello, good day. Welcome to today's tutorial class. In today's tutorial class, I'm going to guide you through the use of Google AI Studio. Firstly, I would like to introduce to you what Google AI Studio is. Google AI Studio is a platform powered by Google's Gemini model that allows users to generate code, create websites, build Android apps, generate images, build AI applications, test prompts, and integrate APIs. That is, this AI studio is being powered by Google Gemini. It uses Gemini model, can I say, like some features of Gemini to work here. So, what you can do with this AI tool is you can do so many things like build generations, create website, and so many. And the easiest way for you to use this tool is the funniest part. Let me just like the funniest part about this tool is that you can access it online and you can access it sorry I say online in your mobile phone and in your desktop. Either you have a system or you don't have a system, you have a mobile phone, you can access this tool. The only thing you need to do is go to online, just go to Google, search. If you have a Google account, because before you can use it, you must have a Google account before you can access an AI Studio. I don't think Google account is something that I should ask you that do you have it, because it's something like it's a must. You must have it before you can operate a mobile phone efficiently, right? So let me just believe that we all have Google accounts. The next thing we are going to do now is to visit the Google AI Studio online. You search online Google AI Studio, then you sign in and create a new prompt. This is where your prompt engineering skills applies. So let's do it practically. We are going to search online now. Go to online and search AI Studio, for example. So once you search AI Studio, the first thing that shows at the top search is Google AI Studio. So you click on this, and this is going to direct you to Google AI Studio. But mind you, when clicking this link, if your Gmail, your Google account is not logged in your mobile phone or in your desktop system, it will not take you in. You must have that Gmail logged in before it will take you directly to this dashboard. Because in some cases now, maybe you went and like you are checking it in your phone or your laptop, and you see that it's not showing you directly somewhere here. Don't feel like it's different. You must have a Google account before you can move in here. So now we are in. This is just take this as your creative studio. This is the studio that has like give you access to build so many possibilities. Like with this, you don't need to be a developer, you don't need to do like you can do so many things. It assists you with so many tasks. And among what this tool can do as is building Android app. Let me just give you an example about this building Android app. I was recently enrolled on Google Skills Boost. I can remember. I tell you guys about Google Skills Boost. Who has taken it that day? Nobody. I definitely know nobody has taken it. But before I move in, let me tell you about this first, so that you know what this is means. Like what this means. Okay. Let me sign in. If you want to know AI, like even before others know about any AI tool, you want to master Google AI tool. Like they are something that they are about releasing that they have not released. You want to know how it works, how to use it, even when it is being released. Come to Google Skills Boost. In this place, like you learn it, you understand so many things. And one thing about this is that they give you credit to build whatever you want to build. I want to build more Android app. I want to do this. They give you credit. You see, it's telling me that my credit is going to expire. Like I have so many credits I can use to build so many things. So and you can see because it has been long, I access this. So it's telling me that my streak has break. Assuming I continuously learning from here, I could have done so many things. But so far, this is what I have achieved. My achievement in this, like the courses I've taken, what I learned, so many things. You can see I've taken the 50 courses in 10 districts. And again, my pathways, 5 parts. The league I reach is Diamond League. Like my it's showing the reason why it's showing this is just more like a motivation, showing your progress. How come you have come? Like how far you have come and what you will do to reach to the final level. Though I'm not showing this like I want to use this for my practical. I'm just telling you if you want to understand how Google works, come here. And the more you are doing, you are getting credits. You can see, the more you are doing, you are getting experience points. These points, like if you can search online, there is what we call Google profile. If you search, we call it Google Skills profile. That if you want to see my experience with Google, how come I've come, like how far I've come, sorry, what I've done with Google, like the skills I've learned, you can see it there. It shows my like public view profile there. So I'm not showing this like I want to use this for practical. I don't want to use this for practical, so I will not explain that. In olden days, or let me just say, not olden days sef, let's say you are doing the manual coding. If you want to build an Android app, you must understand how to use Kotlin and the Android Studio, like the Android Studio SDK on Google. You can start it online. We have what we call Android Studio by Google, I think. Android Studio is by Google. If you want to learn how to build mobile apps, you can learn it here free of charge by Google. The only thing you do is install your Android Studio. I think I have an Android Studio in my system. If I did not read, yes, I have it. You can see it. This is the Android Studio. Let's say I want to move in and start creating apps with Kotlin, learn how to do it. I can learn the normal way of doing it myself. But Google decide that no, we don't want you to stress. You don't need to go and start learning Kotlin, doing this. It's very something that maybe your head cannot take. Instead, we want you to apply your prompt engineering skills. Build that thing that you'll be doing, like doing it manually. Just do a specific prompt that does it all for you. That is what Google Studio is all about. You don't need to go and do that long process. Build your prompts, apply your prompt, and you get the results. Very simple. Instead, now I want to create an app, but I don't know specifically what I want to build. I don't have idea how apps should look like, an Android app should look like. What I want to build. I don't know how it looks like. Google have what they call I'm feeling lucky. It's more like a prompt. This I'm feeling lucky. It helps you to automatically generate prompts and the skills to use in building that thing. You see now, instead of me to go to ChatGPT and start writing long prompts that sometimes say I don't understand, I'll just use this I'm feeling lucky to like explore. You first explore, know how it works before you now think of what you really want to build. Yes, you have the idea, you have what you build, like that thing you want to build, but you want to first explore how does this thing work, how efficient, like how very great this tool is. You use this I'm feeling lucky to just explore and do something. So you can see, you say create an app where I can upload a script and receive a sequence of generated storyboard images. And these keys, these are the things needed in generating it. This one generate a high quality images. This uses nano banana and others. This studio quality. You can see this studio quality has a 4K images with nano banana pro. That is images that does not require watermark. If I'm using Gemini and Gemini always give me watermark, if I don't want to create my images with Gemini, I'll just come to Google AI Studio. I'll build my personal app that generates images. Remember when I was teaching you about doing DNA tests and other things? I created that app that will be giving DNA using all these technologies. So instead, like, why would I be depending on their tool that will be asking me to maybe like pay money before I can access it without watermark or something like that? Sometimes even though you are in a pro, Gemini will still give you watermark. You see? But instead, you can just go to Google AI Studio, create it, and you don't have any watermark. Like it's just premium. Let's try this out. Let's say we are building this Android app now, and we have this Gemini chatbot. You say you are going to add a Gemini chatbot. That's what has a content aware chat powered by Gemini. So let's say we are building this. For example, I will send this prompt. Google AI Studio now, do the magic. You can see how something is vibing around. Like the magic will start now. It's first understand how the prompt works. How? In what way? How do I play this? How should I make it move? That is what Google AI Studio is doing now. So let's wait and see what will be built in the next few minutes as we continue. So now, this is what I created. The prompt I drop, this is what is built. But instead of just giving me like his own color, he now decided that I should choose the design I want. Like which design did I love among these? There are so many designs. So I'll choose the one I love. Which one do I feel is more okay and I want to use? You see, there are so many UIs there. But I think this first one is more clean. I want to use. So what I will do is I'll select the design. Oh my god!
Thank you for watching.